You can ask where they are.
Okay, where's the sheep? What's a sheep say? Where's the cow? Can you tell me where the cow is? That's right. What's a cow say? That's right. Where's the pig? All right, mommy, baby pig. Might be a tough one. What's a piggy say? Oink, oink, oink. Where's the duck? All right. What's a duck say? What's a duck say?
Duck, duck. Duck, duck.
Where's the horsey? You see the horsey? All right. What's a horse say? Huh? Nay. Good job, buddy. Can you make him kiss? Can you make the mommy horse and the baby horse kiss?
Make him kiss.
Make him kiss.
Aww.
Right. Good job.
You make
dude.
mommy pig and baby pig kiss.
Can you make the piggies kiss?
Make a piggy's kiss.
Can you make the piggies kiss? Make the piggies kiss. Mommy, baby pig. Can
Make
they
him kiss.
Mwah.
Aww.
Okay.
Can you give daddy a kiss?
Can you give me a kiss? Can you give daddy a kiss? Can daddy have a kiss? Don't
Yeah,
give
it's
daddy
a duck.
There's sheep. Can daddy have a kiss? No way.
Horse that hair. Horsey?
Horsey.
Hmm.